In the Hefei area of the pilot free trade zone in China's Anhui, the construction of Volkswagen Anhui MEB plant is in full swing, with mass production scheduled for 2023. Last month marked the second anniversary of the inauguration of the Anhui pilot FTZ. According to official data, in the first half of this year, the FTZ generated foreign trade of 95.93 billion yuan, up 28.5% year-on-year. Pilot FTZs serve as test fields for China to advance reform and opening up. In 2013, China's first pilot FTZ was launched in Shanghai. In less than 10 years, the number of such zones has surged to 21, located in both coastal economic hubs and inland regions. The Shanghai pilot FTZ is now home to automaker Tesla's first gigafactory outside the United States. Construction began in January 2019, and in mid-August this year, the gigafactory saw its 1 millionth vehicle produced.
所有的这一切应该跟临港的整个的非常好的这个营商环境是密不可分的。那我觉得100万真的还只是一个起点，接下来的时间我们还是希望跟临港一起，真的把新能源汽车这个产业能够做到一个支柱产业。
福州自贸区对想在这座城市发展的外国人提供了很多的便利。我感觉他们做事情的速度很快，比如说办我的签证，还有安排这些所有手续都是在几天内都可以解决的。
International experts have spoken highly of China's resolve in advancing opening up, and sharing development opportunities with the rest of the world.
China is opening itself up to other countries. You see, China is constantly trying to remodel itself where it needs to, so that other countries can be, more attracted towards trade with China.
The reform and opening up unleashes the market power of China, and as we all see, it ultimately benefits not only China but also the rest of the world. China's commitment to opening up its market, I think is something which is looked upon very eagerly and very positively by the rest of the world, because all of us would like to ultimately be a part of China's, shall we say, almost miraculous economic growth story.